What's the difference between ADD and ADHD? I actually get this question a lot. It's a great question to ask. So technically, the term ADD doesn't actually exist anymore. Some doctors use it, but it is very much outdated. ADD is the outdated term for what is now called inattentive ADHD. So for ADHD, there are 3 different types. Number 1 is what you're most familiar with probably, and it is hyperactive ADHD. Then there is inattentive ADHD, which used to be called ADD. And the third one is called combined type ADHD, which is a combination of being both hyperactive and inattentive. I believe the term ADD was actually starting to be phased out in the 80s and 90s. But unfortunately, healthcare takes a long time to stop using that language. And a lot of women who are actually hyperactive or combined type were labeled as ADD because ADHD in women actually comes out as chronic overwhelm because we internalize a lot of our hyperactivity and a lot of our symptoms. So I think a lot of women who were diagnosed ADD are actually maybe combined type ADHD. So yeah, technically the term ADD doesn't exist anymore, but it's an outdated term that some doctors still use. I hope that was helpful.